国际上要紧来看，美国总统川普甲以色列总理纳坦雅胡双方今年是第6届是见面会谈。这川普讲，若是哈马斯无要放弃武装，一定会付出真惨重的代价。另外一方面嘛，经过伊朗若是敢继续来扩大军事来支持哈马斯，这效果嘛非常严重。
Does anybody recognize this man? Not too many people.
美国总统 Trump 甲以色列总理纳坦雅胡就加沙停火甲解决以色列对伊朗甲真主党的烦恼进行会谈。Trump 除了搁再一届要求哈马斯解除武装，也搁暗示伊会支持以色列在适当时机对伊朗发动另外一届的攻击。
If they don't disarm as they agreed to do, they agreed to it, and then they'll be held to pay for them. They have to disarm within a fairly short period of time.
虽然在华府做公亲之下，互以色列甲哈马斯、以色列甲伊朗，也有以色列甲黎巴嫩之间达成3项停火协议，也毋过纳坦雅胡对这敌对的势力，在经过真济届战争了后，重新整备、重建军力是真警戒的。
Iran may be behaving badly. It hasn't been confirmed, but if it's confirmed, look, they know the consequences. Consequences will be very powerful.
以色列希望确保甲叙利亚的边境和平。川普也表示，相信以色列甲叙利亚领导人会当和谐斗阵。在会谈之前，就甲记者讲啊，虽然以色列也是真济届下过叙利亚的边境。
To make sure that the border area right next to our border is safe. We don't have terrorists. We don't have attacks.
这场会谈强化美伊之间的联名，应对伊朗支持真主党甲哈马斯影响黎巴嫩停火甲叙利亚的稳定。川普的警告显示效果的严重性。公司新闻黄文玲编译。